Today's episode is air conditioner mismatch Misbehaves on the way to Dog 2022 and gets grounded. Air conditioner mismatch. We're going to see Dog 2022 says since need Tanzania, Rats of the Wet, Nax, and Joseph want to see it. But Goofy, I don't want to see Dog 2022. Besides, that movie is so lame. I'm not going to go. I want to stay here and hang out with Tandy. We're going to see Dog and Rat's final. Now again, the call you grounded. But Goofy, I don't want to go. Air conditioner and mismatch. We're going to see Dog. Get it used to it. Can you go to Burger King? No, we're not going to Burger King. We're going to get something to eat there and we're going to the movies. Very hungry. Fine. We can go to Burger King. But make it quick. We'll be late for the movie. At Burger King. Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Goofy, just wanna give me my food. 10 minutes later. Alright, I got the food. Now let's go. Goofy, I want to go to Target to buy a new game on the Nintendo Switch. Fine, but this is the last stop and you're going to see it straight in the movie theater. 3 minutes later, I got the game called Just Dance 2021. Okay, let's go. Hey, that's not fun at all. How do you put the car in your seat? Now the car looks like a dumpster. Let's put Laughing Paul on Winston's shoes. That's a great idea, Mishmash. Ha 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 ha. Stop it. That tickles. Wow. Oh my gosh, air conditioner mishmash. How do you break the car with a flat tire? Now I need to fix the car. Get out of the car right now. Hi, freezer. Hi, air conditioner. Hi, freezer. Hi, mishmash. Could we go on a pool day on Tuesday? Yes, I'm gonna go on Tuesday. Can we go pool on Tuesday? Yes, I'm gonna go pool on Tuesday. Air conditioner and mishmash. We fixed the car. Now it's going to be late for the movie. Alright, talk to you later. After all of these excuses of air conditioner and mismatch to not go to the movies to see Dog 2022, his family needed, except finished anything, except for almost the end credits. Let's see what happens next. Oh great! We wait to the movie. All he wants to see Dog 2022 because me, Tanzania, Rats of the Wet, Joseph, and Max wanted to see it. But no! He had to stall us. The movie is almost over. Oh my god! The movie just ended! Ow, 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 ow. Air conditioner and Mishmash. How dare you miss the movie? That's it. You are grounded for 10 years. We're going home and now we're going to be big trouble. Stop crying, Mishmash and air conditioner. It's your own fault. But Goofy, me, and Mishmash want to stay home and pan out like candy. But is so late. Can you go see another movie when it comes out? No! It'll ruin my night. But I'm very sorry. Just wait. Can we go to Burger King again? We'll never see you again, Burger King. We're not going to go to Burger King. You ruined my night. Yeah, we're gonna be grounded when we get home. Yeah, we're gonna be grounded when we get home too. Yeah, we're gonna get grounded when we get home too. And 4, we're gonna get grounded when we're gonna get home. 4. Go to your room and go to bed. We're never gonna come out. Wah 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 wah. The end. You lose.